Today we are here again in Sungai Kahang Estate in Johor. We are standing actually in one of our test plot area that we have been using our program of nature's best bioenzymes which we currently today we have already 18 months that we have been using this particular program. On this particular plot, I think we have more than 20 acres here. Yes. Mr. Manikam is the conductor in charge of this area and also monitoring the program. Like I said, we are already 18 months. We start. Today is February the 15th of 2011. So that means we are already about 18 months. Here we are zero NPK at all, nothing. Currently we are spraying at an interval of every 45 days or 8 rounds per year. And we are using actually 80 ml of 80 ml in a 20 liter sprayer pump, and the sprayer will actually spray into the center, into the spear, let the mist go inside, and also the sprayer will spray around the soil here, which you see is the circle. So if we were to take a close look, as far as the soil is concerned, the soil is very nicely activated with a lot of all the organic matter is nicely broken down, and if we look closely we can see a lot of earthworm casting here all over, which means to say that the soil is in a very organic form again, because when we see a lot of all these organisms, microorganism population have increased, earthworms are coming back, and you see ants are coming back and so on. So the ecosystem or the soil web is being activated again, and it's going back to a very natural condition of the soil, and which means to say that this soil is now practically back to organic condition, and it is able, the microbial count of the indigenous microbes are increasing, and it is able to process much better all the organic matter, whereby it will be able to feed the roots much better with a lot more of the natural ingredient. And we look at the tree. Now this tree is planted in 2004, which means to say that today, 2011, this tree is coming to be 7 years old. And we look at the fruit bunch here. This branch is coming to almost ripe, and the estate program, actually they are harvesting at a cycle of every 15 days. So for 1 month, the harvesters are coming 2 rounds to harvest the fruits. And we look at this tree, it is very rich. The fruit bunch is very big. I would say that this kind of bunches easily above 15 to 20 kilo size, Mr. Manikam, yeah? Yes. It's easily about that size. And we look the population of the bunch, you know, it's here, above there, it's here. The flowering is coming, it's over here and all over the tree. And I think just to be sure that this is only not on one tree, what we are going to do is we are going to walk this row, and we look at a few trees together, and we see whether every tree is benefiting or not. And we look a little bit further up, we look into the leaf zone. We can see that the new leaves that are coming out are very strong, very green, very broad, and very nicely they are opening up and so on. You can see that it's nicely opening up for all the fruits to come out. And the size, the girth of the tree is very healthy for a 7-year-old, and it's able to hold very big fruit bunches. So we walk along the row again, and let's see to the next tree how the condition of the fruit. Okay, this is immediately the next tree. All right. Okay, before we just turn into the next tree, let's look at the next tree over our right. You can see that there's a lot of fruits also on the tree, and the tree beyond that. And okay, coming back to this tree, and then looking down, you can see the soil, all, as I mentioned, the earthworms casting everywhere over here. So the soil condition is very good. And then we look at the tree again. Okay, there's always a fruit bunch onto the tree, and we walk further down. Okay, that was Just now we walk on the second tree. This is the third tree, all in the same row. Again, very good, what they call this good. Very nice fruit bunch, above 15 kilo size. We look at the branches, they are all opening up. If you look at the center branches, very green, very strong, very healthy. And the soil, you can see what they call this, the earthworm casting. It's all very, very nice. And of course the fruit bunch is a big one here. There's another big one here. There's another big one here and all over. Okay, we go to the next tree again. Tree number 4. Let's see whether this thing is happening all over or not. Okay, we are at the tree number 4, the same row. We can see again here the tree, very healthy. All the leaves are opening and all the black branches you see are very healthy. Of course, there's some rat problem here. I think the fruit must be very tasty. This must be organic rats. They like organic fruit. Yeah. So you can see they're eating very nicely. But the fruit bunches, this is the 4th tree. It is still very, very healthy with the branches. Let us walk a few more trees and see whether this is a continuous effect or whether this is only for what they call this, for advertising. This is the real effect. We are walking just now, 1, 2, 3. Tree number 4. Let's go to tree number 5. Okay? Okay, we are here at tree number 5. Tree number 5 again. Okay, the bunches are big bunches. The branches are opening up. The leaves are very, very healthy. Okay, let's go tree number 6 and then let's cross over to the other side. Let's see that. Let's see that it is happening everywhere. Everywhere, every tree is like this. Tree number 6. We are here. Look at the fruits. There is fruits all over. And the bunches are big. The tree leaves are healthy. It's opening up. Okay. Let us. I can see every tree. Basically, there are so big fruits. Okay. Let's cross over to the next row. Let's go to this next row. We're looking at tree number 7. All right. Here again, you can see the fruits, the black bunches. Wow. The black bunches over here, and this is huge. This is huge. This is very close to 20 kilo. This is huge, right? And you see the fronds, they are opening up. You see the gut, very healthy. The leaves are green and nice. The soil, fantastic amount of what do you call it? Earthworm casting. Okay, earthworm casting everywhere. Very, very healthy. Very, very beautiful. Okay, and like I said, it's all over. All over the trees are basically the same. The fruiting are like this. Now this is the effect of what we are doing today. Back to nature power. The effect of the natural, most natural enzymes from our rainforest. All over the place. Beautiful. 1.5 years, 0 NPK, only using our natural bioenzymes. And how healthy is the tree? This is really back to natural power. Thank you.